Today I will teach you adverb clause of purpose. Now you will see how the adverb clause of purpose is introduced with the subordinating conjunctions such as that, in order that, so that, least, etc. Subordinating conjunctions that, in order that, so that, least, now see the examples. Suppose he drew his sword that he might defend himself. In this example, he drew his sword. This is the this is the principal clause, and that he might defend himself. Here, that is the subordinating conjunction used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. That he might defend himself, this is used as the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used in order to indicate the purpose. He drew his sword. What is the purpose of his drawing his sword? He drew his sword that, or in order that he might defend himself. He might defend himself. This is the that he might defend himself. This is the subordinating clause, which is used in order to indicate the adverb clause of purpose. Now, in another example, you may see, suppose, write it down, list, you should forget all about it. Write it down, list, you should forget all about it. Write it down. This is the principal clause. List is the subordinating conjunction. List, you should forget all about it. This is the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used in order to indicate the purpose. Such type of adverb clause is used as the adverb clause of purpose. Here, list is the word. List is used in the negative sense. Here, write it down. List, you should forget all about it. Here, this is the subordinating clause. List, you should forget all about it. And this is the principal clause. In this way, you will have to use the adverb clause of purpose. In another example, we read that we may learn. We read, this is the principal clause, and that we may learn, this is used as the subordinating clause. Here, that is the subordinating conjunction used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. Such type of subordinating clause indicates purpose. So, the subordinating clause is used as the adverb clause of purpose. Next, in another example, he walked quietly. so that the child would not wait. He walked quietly. What is the purpose? So that the child would not wake. This is the purpose. Not to wake the child. He walked quietly, not to wake the child. That is, so that the child would not wake. This is the purpose of his walking quietly. He walked quietly is used as the principal clause, and so that the child would not wake, this is used as the adverb clause. Such type of adverb clause is used in order to indicate purpose. And whenever you will see such type of purpose is there in the subordinating clause, then the subordinating clause is to be termed as adverb clause of purpose. In another example, suppose we eat that, or in order that we may learn, we may live. We may live. We eat that we may live. Here that we may live, this is the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used as the purpose. And here we eat, the purpose of our eating is to live. We eat. What is the purpose of our eating? That we may live. This subordinating clause is used in order to indicate purpose. So, this is the adverb clause of purpose. In this way, you will have to use the adverb clause of purpose. My topic for discussion is adverb clause of cause or reason. See how adverb clause of cause or reason is introduced with the subordinating conjunction such as because, as, since, that, etc. Subordinating conjunctions such as, because, since, that, etc. When the subordinating clause is introduced with such type of subordinating conjunction, such as, because, since, that, then you may use the adverb clause of cause or reason. Now see the examples how adverb clause of cause or reason is introduced with the subordinating conjunctions such as, because, since, that. Examples. Suppose because I like you, I shall help you. Here because is the subordinating conjunction used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. Because I like you, this is the subordinating clause. I shall help you, this is the principal clause. Here this principal clause may also be written at the beginning of the sentence. If you write the sentence, I shall help you, I shall help you because, or as I like you. In this way, because or as I like you, this is the subordinating clause. Here I shall help you, this is used as the principal clause. In this way, you may write such type of adverb clause of cause or reason. Here this is the reason to help you. Here I shall help you because I like you. Because of my liking, I shall help you. Here in this way, you will have to write the adverb clause of cause or reason. In another example, suppose I could not attend the meeting because or as I was busy. As or because I was busy, this is the subordinating clause. I could not attend the meeting, this is the principal clause. Not to attend, because of my busyness, I could not attend the meeting. Here this is the point. So at the time of using such type of complex sentence by using adverb clause of cause or reason, you may use such type of subordinating conjunction either as or because at the beginning of the subordinating clause. As or because I was busy, this is the subordinating clause, and this subordinating clause is used just after the principal clause here. I could not attend the meeting, this is the principal clause. Here if you write the sentence in another way, if you write at the beginning of the sentence with the subordinating clause in this way, as or because I was busy, I could not attend the meeting, this will also be correct. As or because I was busy, I could not attend the meeting. I could not attend the meeting. This is the principal clause. Here the principal clause is used just after the subordinating clause. As or because I was busy, this is the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used before the principal clause. Here this is the cause of my not attending the meeting. If you write the sentence in this way, this type of sentence is to be termed as complex sentence, because this is the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used in order to indicate cause. Due to my busyness, I could not attend the meeting. This is the simple sentence. Now, here in another example, I will show you the adverb clause of cause or reason. Since your father is not at home, I will ask you to take the message. I will ask you to take the message since your father is not at home. This is the complex sentence. Now see, since your father is not at home, this is the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used just before the principal clause. I will ask you to take the message. This is the principal clause. And here the subordinating conjunction since is used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. Whenever you will see such type of subordinating conjunction at the beginning of the subordinating clause indicating reason or cause, then you will have to term the clause as the adverb clause of reason or cause. In another example, suppose I will employ you since you or as you may use as since or as you will or you swear to serve me faithfully. I will employ you this is the principal clause. Since or as you swear to serve me faithfully, this is the subordinating clause. This subordinating clause is used in order to indicate reason or cause. Here, since you swear to serve me faithfully, this subordinating clause is used as the adverb clause of reason or cause. In another example, I am glad that you like it. I am glad, this is the principal cause. Here that indicates the cause. Such type of subordinating conjunction may also be used at the beginning of the subordinating clause. That you like it. This is the subordinating clause. And here that indicates the cause. Subordinating clause is used in order to introduce the reason or cause. That you like it. Such type of subordinating conjunction may also be used in order to indicate or mention the adverb clause of cause or reason. Suppose in another example also, we were pleased or happy because we have passed without the main examination. Without the main examination. We were pleased or happy. This is the principal clause. Because we have passed without the main examination, this is used as the subordinating clause. Such type of subordinating clause is used in order to mention or indicate cause or reason. Whenever you will see such type of cause or reason in the subordinating clause, then you will have to term the clause as the adverb clause of cause or reason. In another example also, as he was not there, I spoke to his brother. As he was not there, this is the subordinating clause. I spoke to his brother, this is the principal clause. I spoke to his brother. Why did I speak to his brother? Because he was not there. I spoke to his brother because or as. In this way, you may use the adverb clause of cause or reason.